course telling us that they are going to complete it, and now they be very specific by saying 15th of May they will have completed the road work, and by the end of May the street light will also be completed. And there we went to Gadua. That of course is have been completed. Those that I told them to add the mesh wire to protect, to make sure traders don't take over the side of the road for trading. And the only thing remaining there is the street light, which have agreed will be completed before the end of May. And now we're here in Wasa, which has to do with the informal sector. You know, every government has promised their poor mechanics that they are going to move out from where they are. I thank God this administration of people have been able to fulfill it. I'm sure that everybody is happy that their poor mechanic will live where they are and come into this place. They are going to provide all the infrastructure needed. And they have also seen that the company CGC has promised by the end of May it will be completed, and then we'll start working on how the informal sector that the poor mechanics to move into the place. So very happy with what we have seen and the quality of work. One thing I can say, thank God we have the company that always relationship we have built up with the companies, doing jobs in Abuja, so that once they give us the award, they always keep to it. And they also, when we tell them that we will pay, we also keep to it. So it's a very good relationship, and that's what we're going to do.
Okay, sir, we say that all the projects we have
well, with what we are seeing, it will be difficult for President to, I think he may send people, but let us see. The one of us is going to be there, the Gadua will be there, and we are looking at where we'll be able to have this, which is important, you know, to also say how the President cares for the informal sector, giving them a good area where they can carry on their trading activities. So let's see, we have a lot of projects, but we believe that, yes, we'll try and see how we can, put it all together.
Excellency, sir, away from the project inspection,
yes.
One of the political parties in the country raised concern that that they may deny a venue that they plan to hold their convention, maybe to. What's your reaction to that?
Who denied them? When you say they were denied, who denied them? I don't know. I don't even know the party you're talking about. They say one of the political parties.
Africa Democratic.
Okay, you see, that's one you have to look at characters, people who do only want to take public sympathy when they know that there's nothing like that. And you see, when you look at that behind all this, you ask yourself, are there really people who would only want to say they're talking about positive change? As I speak to you, nobody has written any letter. I don't know the very they are talking about they have. Okay, let's make assume that they talk about Eagle Square. Nobody, not one, wrote any letter to use the Eagle Square. I called the GMD of absence. There's nothing like that. There's no way we would deny them because we collect revenue from that. You have to pay. And nobody has written to us. And we are not in charge of the velodrome. That's under the sports commission. Even when PDP did their own convention, we applied to sports commission and we paid. So it is not, even when APC took the Eagle Square, they paid. So nobody has written to us. Why would we stop them from holding their convention or business? They paid, we have the money to do the project work. But again, that tells you the character of leadership that is that ADC. Every time telling lies just to give a bad publicity during the government. As far as I'm concerned, we are not that need to deny people to use venues for their convention. They're only looking for how they can attract public sympathy, which is not going to be. The truth is that let them come out and show the application they wrote and it was received by either the Abuja Investment Company or in my own office. Is that correct?
Excellency, sir. Finally, the administration under your leadership has conceived an idea of building a B50 bus terminal in line with the global best practice. But last week, the yet-to-be functioned bus terminal has collapsed. What is your take on that? It
did not collapse. We don't see the wrong, don't see the right point. It never collapsed. The kind of wind we saw, we have never imagined. Remember, that bus terminal at Kubo. It's on top of the hill a bit. It's higher than most of all the buildings in Syria. Now, the downwind blew off the roof sheet. Remember, that was, we did not use ordinary wood. They used steel. To tell you how strong that wind was, it just took off all the roof sheet. So when it did not affect the structure. There was no collapse of any, just the roof sheet. It has been happening all over some countries. So people should understand that. We thank God what kind of weather we have here. But sometimes you never know what will happen. It has nothing to do with structure at all. Just that the wind was so much that the roof had to be, had to be affected. So people should not say that it affected the structure of the world. Nothing collapsed, just that the roof, and they started putting it back.
Your Excellency, will you sanction the contractor?
Why would I sanction the contractor? If the building was destroyed, if the building collapsed, then I talk about structure of the tower build. Then I have to sanction him. But this is nature. You cannot look at the overseas. There's something. The wind will just come. You see, buildings have been even with trees. I was watching one television, one media house, where some people are saying that, oh, there are no trees. We have watched on television, CNN, and where you see the wind can even blow up all the trees. So we thank God that people did not die, and that was important. But it has affected the structure of the building that we can now call the contractor. He does nothing the contractor can do to say that, oh, you would avert that kind of nature. It's not possible. No.
Thank you.